오늘 교도소에서 석방되는 한 남자.
She went through in here. I wouldn't wish on any man this day. You put that darkness behind. There is help on the outside. You have any questions?
Where's the exit?
그는 출소 후 반드시 해야만 하는 일이 있었습니다. 누군가 준비해둔 차량에 탑승했고 바로 목적지로 향하는 드라이버. 누군가를 살해하고 그대로 떠나버리죠. 한편 어느 화장실에선 은밀한 거래가 진행 중이었고
What'd I tell you about that hairy change, huh? It's your Jones, Holmes.
I'm sorry, I was just messing with you, okay? Please.
이는 바로 마약의 거래 현장이었죠. 그런데 마약을 구매했던 남자의 정체는 바로 경찰이었고 그는 카보로 이미 비리 혐의를 받고 있는 형사였습니다.
Yeah, I caught the case.
No, you didn't. Because Mallory would never put you on my case.
드라이버가 벌인 사건을 캅과 여경 시세로가 맡게 되었고 시세로는 캅과 함께하는 수사가 마음에 들지 않았죠.
Downtown Bakersfield office building this afternoon.
Kenny, stop!
He is described as a male in his 30s. He is described as armed and extremely dangerous.
You've been a bad boy. Nice set of wheels I got you out there.
I want the other names.
The price just went up. And now I want to renegotiate.
정보 판매상은 갑자기 드라이버에게 더 많은 돈을 요구하는데
This here's my Samoan friend.
Giffy. Brother, I got no beef with you.
Stop bumping your gums.
Can't mess with no ghost.
You better get your fat ass. Here, I owe you a refund. Here you go.
I've seen him somewhere, I know it. Look at his face. He knew his number was up. Now, that's not just fear, that's recognition. He knew him.
드라이버는 다음 타겟을 사냥하기 위해 움직입니다. 한편 뛰어난 실력을 가진 한 킬러가 있었고
Morning.
But you know what? I'm done with yoga. I beat it. It's time to move on.
To what?
Something more ultimate.
Worry that a real corpse pose is the only thing that's gonna satisfy you.
그때 그의 핸드폰이 울렸고
Got a new client for you. I know you like a challenge. The job done fast.
Okay.
그가 의뢰를 받은 타겟은 바로 드라이버였죠.
It's not a question I ever ask.
한편 시세로는 벌써 이번 사건 범인의 신원을 알아냈고
We got our shooter. I got a call from the warden at Murdoch last night.
Any gang affiliations?
Nope. Police full 10.
드라이버는 교도소에서 고스트라 불리며 패권을 장악한 인물이었습니다.
He got popped for a bank job 10 years ago, Bakersfield.
Shooter was a bank
And
robber.
he was a driver.
10년 전 은행을 털었던 드라이버.
Doing while we stop it.
Now he made a clean getaway.
So who collared him?
경찰에게 잡히지 않고 은행을 터는 데 성공했으나
After the bank job, they got ambushed by another crew. Bastard made his own personal snuff film.
곧바로 또 다른 강도들이 그의 집을 습격했고
Bank robbers, huh? Where's the money?
Don't tell him, bro.
알고 보니 드라이버의 공범은 그의 형이었습니다.
Want me to shoot him, huh, like the others?
Sorry, I dragged you. Please, don't shoot him. It's under the floorboards in the kitchen. Gary, I'm sorry. It's okay.
하지만 강도들은 약속과 달리 그의 형을 살해했고
Told you, wouldn't shoot him. Smile for the camera.
이것이 그가 복수를 다짐하게 만든 계기였습니다. 카메라 좌에게 향하는 드라이버, 그런데 근처에 킬러가 와 있었고 그 시각 카메라 좌는 또 다른 여성에게 범죄를 저지르려 하고 있었죠.
You're very kind to help an old man.
Sure. Actually, I should be going.
Let me get you something that's right.
Yeah, I should get going.
Smile for the camera.
이 타이밍에 드라이버가 도착했고
Don't, please. He made us do it.
그는 결국 두 번째 타겟까지 제거해버립니다.
Please don't hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Smile for the camera.
I'm gonna kill you all.
그런데 사실 드라이버는 그날 머리에 총을 맞았었는데
Bullet hit here, ricocheted around the outside of his skull. And this guy refused to die.
이어 카메라좌가 죽은 현장에 오게 된 형사들.
Our guy did the world a favor on this one.
Found out who shot our snuff witnesses placed the second shooter at the scene. Had a little shootout in the hall.
They exchanged gunfire, then disappeared. Both of them.
게다가 이번 사건엔 킬러까지 얽혀 있었으니 형사들은 머리가 더욱 복잡해졌죠.
You know, I mean, the dude's completely pure, you know?
As fast as you,
And he's faster.
as you always do.
Baby,
Yeah.
marry me.
그가 이번에 향한 곳은 타겟이 아닌 전 여자친구였고 안타깝게도 그녀는 이미 다른 남자와 결혼해 자녀까지 있었습니다.
Why did you come? Why did you make me stop coming to see
I didn't see any sense of 3 wasted lives.
When you cut me off, I gave the baby. I had an abortion. Sorry.
사실 그는 여자친구와 아이까지 가졌었지만
I hope you kill them all!
그가 감옥에 가게 되며 연인과 아이까지 잃고 말았습니다. 그러니 그의 복수심은 극에 달하고 있었죠.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Let's start a family. We'll sell the house by the lake. We'll get a craftsman.
You're serious about this, aren't you? What about your work?
I will quit. Absolutely. Just like that.
이어 세 번째 타겟에게로 향하는 드라이버.
The night is far gone.
그는 클럽의 가드로 일하고 있었고
I gotta take a leak. I'll be right back.
그가 자신이 찾던 타겟이 맞음을 확인합니다. 타겟 또한 한눈에 드라이버를 알아봤고
I've been expecting you. Joe, go outside and watch the door. Only one of us is gonna make it out of here. Go home.
승부는 단숨에 끝나고 말았습니다.
I got a son. Tell him I said, I'm sorry. I'm begging you. You speed down number 3. I'm sorry. He made us take you down. Your father's sorry.
Did something happen?
Yeah.
Cicero.
Hey, it's me. Did I wake you up?
Both of our victims were informants. In court all day, but I really think we're getting close on this.
Hey, did you hear about that stabbing in Henderson last night? Already got it cleared to the Henderson IC. I'm headed up there now.
한편 마지막 타겟에게로 향하던 드라이버는 세 번째 타겟이 죽지 않고 살아있다는 방송을 듣게 되죠.
After being brutally attacked at a local gentleman.
타겟이 입원한 병원에 캅도 와 있었고
Third victim survived the hit last night. Helping lying to
이 사실을 알게 된 킬러 또한 현장으로 향하게 되죠.
Doctor.
Back in the room! Back in the room! McCobb, where'd he go?
You went downstairs, officer.
드라이버는 캅이 경찰임을 알고 그를 쏘지 않습니다. 그런데 그 뒤로 킬러의 차가 따라붙었고 이번에도 킬러는 살려주고 타이어에 펑크만 냈죠. 이어 그가 향한 곳은
Where's the old man?
Dead.
How long ago?
I don't know. 3 or 4 years.
바로 자신의 부모님이 있는 곳이었는데요. 그는 은행 사건에서 아버지가 자신과 형에게 함정을 판 것이라 생각했죠.
Why are you here?
Came here to kill the old man. He set us up.
Do you think the old man was capable of murdering you? Couldn't have.
What makes you so sure?
I just know.
Mom.
He loved your brother too much. Wasn't like I could pretend you were his. You never stood a chance. I didn't protect you.
Gary was the only one who ever cared for me.
알고 보니 드라이버의 형은 이복 형제였고
Wasn't the old man who set us up.
그는 은행 사건 당시 모든 상황을 설계한 배우가 있을 것이라 추측했습니다.
Well done. Thanks, man.
I gotta call you back.
드라이버가 병원에 올 것을 예측했던 캅.
It was a good hunch.
Well, even Quasimodo has
I hate to spoil your moment, but I got something I want to show you. Our latest victim was a CI too. They all snitched their way out of the joint over and over.
Let's split them up and check them out, huh? I'll take these guys.
조사해보니 피살자들은 모두 경찰정보원이라는 공통점이 있었죠. 이번에 드라이버가 향한 곳은 어느 한 교회였고
Go through pain and sorrow in the throes of child. And I'll tell you much. You've been the subject of many of my sermons these past few days.
Everything okay, baby?
I was just catching up with an old acquaintance. You go on home now. Let's take a walk.
이번 타겟은 목회자가 되어 있었고
You turn your life around. Doesn't change what you did. Every good I've done hinged on the evil I did. I got the call. Easy money, they said. I was in a dark place in my life. But when they cut that boy... Oh, Jesus, man, no!
The boy they killed is my brother.
In my heart, I'm sorry.
그는 드라이버의 형이 살해당할 당시 옆에 있었지만 유일하게 살인을 막았던 범죄자였죠.
God can't save you from me. Sermon's over.
Can you at least find it in your heart to forgive me for
I
it?
can't.
That's all right. 'Cause I forgive you for what you're about to do. Is that riding? Tell me who. Oh, Lord, save this man's soul. It's John.
Go back to your family.
이어 교회로 돌아와 마음을 가다듬고 있던 드라이버. 그의 앞에 킬러가 나타났습니다.
Inyo County at the reservoir, they're here. Both of them. If I don't make it out of this, tell my son that his daddy went out like a man.
What are you gonna reach for?
Got nothing against you.
See, I'm starting to think you don't take me very seriously. A little professional courtesy from a peer.
You've got issues.
I win. You can't put it together, can you? There must be one more. The one who hired me.
Drop the gun.
No.
Put the goddamn gun down!
그런데 이 모든 일의 배우는 사실 캅이었고
So you're the guy that hired me?
I had to finish what I started.
과거 드라이버의 머리에 총을 쏜 것도 사실 캅이었습니다.
We didn't even know about you.
Didn't finish me off at the hospital.
So what now?
I ride off into the sunset.
Forgot to pay you.
Fell through all this shit for one lousy $1.
Don't contact me again, I'm done.
Yeah, I can't reach him. Wait a minute. You didn't flip him this case, did you? He asked for it, right?
Begged for it.
시세로는 이제야 캅이 이 사건의 배우임을 알게 되었고
Marina? Hey, it's me, honey. I got him. Better than I ever have.
Yeah, honey, it's over.
그런데 드라이버가 죽지 않고 살아있었죠.
Metal plate.
과거 머리에 총을 맞고 심어둔 금속판이 그를 지켰고 그는 드디어 복수를 끝마치게 됩니다. 잊지 못할 상처를 안은 채 복수를 끝마친 남자의 이야기, 영화 복수자였습니다.